Everything you need to know to make money with Facebook. Updated 2021. You may not think of Facebook as new and edgy anymore. But you can't deny its popularity. There are more than 2 billion monthly active Facebook users, with 1.37 billion actively using the social network every day. It is no surprise, therefore, that many people and businesses try to earn money from Facebook. With such a vast potential audience, it makes good sense. It can be challenging though to make money on Facebook. Because of Facebook's sheer size, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. This is particularly the case now that Facebook only shows a selection of posts in a person's feed. In fact, it is probable that the statuses you lovingly craft and upload to your business page will reach no more than 2% of your followers. Here in this video, we are gonna tell you about many ways to make money using this platform. Before getting deep into the topic, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a new video. Selling items in the Facebook Marketplace or a Facebook buy and sell. Depending on your location, you will see a wide variety of goods and services for sale on the Facebook Marketplace. A Facebook user can select the geographical area from which they see products for sale. For instance, you can set it to display goods for sale within a fixed distance of your home. You can also filter by price. You can earn some money by placing your spare goods on the Facebook Marketplace. You may have to enter into negotiations with people, so be sure to keep in mind the lowest price at which you are willing to sell. Similarly, there are buy and sell groups on Facebook in most regions. You can make posts selling your spare goods in these groups. They often have a common core of members and therefore suffer less haggling from people trying to get a bargain. Sell from your Facebook fan page. Many businesses discover that this can be tricky. It is not easy to build a high enough relevance score for your page's posts to appear in your followers' newsfeeds. Therefore, to make money on Facebook using your fan page, you need to create and share content that people value on a regular basis. As Kim Garst says, her Facebook selling formula is be useful plus be authentic plus sell occasionally is equals to big Facebook sales. If you engage in influencer marketing, your influencers can help you with this. They can provide the useful and authentic content and direct their supporters to your fan page. You could consider adding some Facebook advertising to improve the reach of your sales posts. But don't forget to build up an organic audience. The bulk of your posts cannot be sales-oriented. They need to be valuable and/or entertaining to your potential audience. With Facebook advertising, it is essential to remember where most Facebook users are in the buying cycle. They are not using the platform with an aim to buy anything at all. It is not like advertising on Google, where potential buyers search for terms to help them make a purchase. People come to Facebook to chat with their friends, catch up with what their acquaintances are doing, and watch funny cat videos, not to buy your product. Therefore, it is your responsibility to build a sales funnel. To do this, you want to reach as broad an audience as possible. So you should share a variety of content. Provide a mix of links to quality blog posts, videos, funny anecdotes, controversial statements, infographics, and anything else you think will attract people to you. They should in some way relate to the product you are promoting, or at very least the type of people who would be interested in your product. Once you have created a base of supporters, either by yourself or with the help of influencers, you should start promoting content to them. Pay attention to the engagement levels on these posts and share more of the type of material with the highest engagement. You should then consider promoting content in ads targeted to look-alike audiences. Although these people will probably never have heard of you before, they have demonstrated from their past activities that they have similar interests to the people who have followed you. Therefore, it shouldn't be too complicated to attract these audiences with your content. Operate a Facebook group in your niche. Although there is little value in running a Facebook group with the sole focus of making sales, they can be a useful way in which to let people know what you offer. Facebook groups can be particularly useful if you sell information products. You can set up a group encouraging members to help each other and share ideas. Once again, you need to ensure that you offer group members useful content, and every so often you can suggest your product as a solution to their problems. Facebook groups can also work well as an offshoot to other activities. For instance, if your product is a course or an ebook, you could run a Facebook group for members of your class or people who have bought your ebook. If you provide paid coaching, you could use a Facebook group as a place where your clients can come together. You could perhaps even operate it as a mastermind group. Influencer marketing on Facebook. Many brands struggle to build the numbers necessary to earn money from Facebook. In this situation, it is common for firms to turn to influencers for help. Influencers have done the hard graft of building a following. Anybody who is now a Facebook influencer started off as a Facebook nobody. However, they took the time to establish themselves in a niche, and they have gone through the necessary steps to build authority and trust, and therefore a following. They know that they can join partnerships with brands, spreading the brand's messages in ways that would otherwise be impossible for the brands. The most essential requirement is that the brand makes a good fit for the influencer's followers. Influencers can deliver sponsored content to their fans. They may also work more directly by sharing affiliate links. This was it for today's video. We tried our best to cover this topic, so please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. And we'll see you in the next video. Cheers!